You may wish to pause this video and expand the brackets in front of you using the visual cues that I introduced in the previous two videos in this playlist. This first arrow tells us to multiply together both x's, and both the x's are positive because there's no sign in front of either. So when these multiply together, you're going to get x squared. The next visual cue tells us to multiply the x by the 2, which gives us 2x, but of course we have to take note of the signs. There's no sign here in front of the x, so that's positive, whereas we can see here that's negative, and the negative times a positive is a negative, so we will have minus 2x. The next visual cue tells us that the 3 will multiply the x to give 3x, but of course we have to take note of this negative sign and the fact that this x here is positive, so we have a negative times a positive, and that'll give minus 3x. This visual cue tells us that it's 3 times 2, but of course we can see there's a minus in both of these places in front of each of the numbers 3 and 2. Consequently, a minus times a minus is a plus, so this will give us plus 6. You then turn your attention to the like terms, which is minus 2x minus 3x, and of course that will give you minus 5x. It is now a case of bringing down the x squared and the plus 6, as you can see. So this is the expansion of these brackets.